In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into Supersonic in Sonic Frontiers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just like all other mainline Sonic games, Supersonic is included in Sonic Frontiers, and you get Supersonic through the same old method by collecting these 7 Chaos Emeralds. So they are going to be scattered throughout the levels, and you will come across them periodically as you progress through the game and the story. However, unfortunately, contrary to what most people would like, you aren't able to free roam as Supersonic. So, upon acquiring the 7th Chaos Emerald, which should happen during a boss battle, you will automatically become Supersonic. So, as it stands today, you can only become Supersonic when you get into a boss battle. It is extremely unfortunate, but the transformation is only available during boss battles. It seems like people have created mods to allow you to free roam as Supersonic, so you transform whenever you wish, but without the use of mods, you can only do it in boss battles, and upon acquiring the 7th Chaos Emerald, you will automatically transform, so you will absorb the Chaos Emerald, you will fly like this, and become Supersonic during the boss battle. Besides this, you will not really be able to become Supersonic. Make sure that you collect a lot of rings before fighting the Titans because it will consume the rings, and it only activates as soon as you get the final Chaos Emerald. Most of them will be located at the Titans' heads, and besides this, you aren't able to free roam as Supersonic, which is unfortunate because in other games you were able to transform whenever as long as you had all of them collected, but for Frontiers they only allow you to do this during the boss battles. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into Supersonic in Sonic Frontiers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.